And you know what? I'm good at it. I'm good at it. I'm good at what I do. It's a job I love, and I do it well. That's why I want to come back.
The Green Party doubled its vote here in 2008, but today's canvass with candidate Paul Seamus feels low-key.
Good. How are you, sir?
Who are you?
My name is Paul Seamus.
Yeah.
I'm running for Member of Parliament in this riding.
This voter may use public transit, but he's skeptical.
What's your position in terms of nuclear energy?
Nuclear energy, that's a very good question. I would prefer to see alternative forms of energy,
Tell me why.
quite frankly. Why? Because the issue with nuclear, although there's very little carbon emissions from nuclear, is nuclear waste.
Yeah, of course.
Pundits talk about how, this whole 905 area is shifting to the right, going conservative. When you're going door to door, is that your experience?
I think that there's definitely a very strong machinery pushing for the conservative agenda platform in this riding. But I think that the people who live in this riding are liberal-minded. They're open-minded people who are willing to look and listen to options. I've knocked on doors and I've been well received by people. And I think there's a strong possibility. I mean, you can't ignore being a riding that has a huge environmental impact. We produced energy here before coal burning power plant. That's now gone by demand. We have a lake, so it's a very environmentally aware people, and liberal-minded. So I think that at the end, they may be surprised with the results.
So are you feeling that this is a national campaign or a local campaign?
Actually, that's a very good question. I think it's a little bit of both. As far as the national campaign, they can see our leader, Elizabeth May, talking about issues that the Green Party strongly believes in. But at the same time, look at the candidate. The Green Party is a very decentralized party, so we can adapt to the needs of our constituents. And having the Mississauga South, I'm trying to provide them with a real option, an honest option from a regular guy. I'm a normal person, a father, like I said, a husband, but I believe strongly in these values for our future. Hi, I'm the Green Party candidate in this riding, and just want to offer you some information about us. If you have any questions, my phone number and website is in there, so please feel free to give us a call.
I will have a look at your stuff, but I'm going to tell you I'm going to vote Green. I already know that. I'm a committed Green person.
Fantastic.
So I'm always interested to find out who I'm supporting in the riding, but pleasure to meet you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
This is happening in a lot of ridings where you've got both Green Party candidates and the NDP running in a riding. Are you worried that that might split the vote of what some might call progressive voices?
No, not particularly. I think that the ideas of the Green Party and of the NDP when it comes to environmental sensitivity might be close. A lot of the ideas that we provide out there, we're happy when other parties actually copy from us. But I think that when it comes down to actually the sustainability of the economy, you'll find that perhaps the Green Party and the NDP are not in line. We still believe in a very open, free market where competition can happen and a sustainable economy where the NDP is very union-based. We would like to see, however, the shift coming from big companies to investment into smaller businesses in a more prosperous community. So it's a very different comparison when it comes to the NDP and the Green Party when it comes to sustainable economy.
At the door, do people get that difference?
I hope they do. That's my goal. When I go talk to people, I want to make that clear that it's not, people say the Green Party is a left-wing party. We often like to say that we don't belong in the left and right, that we have aspects of both. We do believe in a free, open market, but we can't ignore the social and the environmental causes. Those are things that we strongly believe, I strongly believe, and I hope that the people in this riding will understand that on May 2nd.